ka Federation of Meghalaya Self Help Group bat Mahila Mandal ha ka chingalam uba artar yang presiden ka Federation of Meghalaya Self Help Group bat kam Mahila Mandal bat uba SG Pathau General Secretary haba ajingkan hagilat pathai kubor laitu bal IT ya ka memorandum sa omentiriam ba kecela ukonrat ke sangma ringkat kit khot SHG na keleng kecela ki ai complain namar ya ke namar kala ai la yo kam kabla yo lembaga ICDS kabla yarap ya ke jing yo kam bat ke chingerap ya ke imlang salang
about the main issues faced by the SHGs. The delay in payment, coupled with the costly updated transportation charge at the rate of 40 paise per beneficiary per kilometer per day, given by the government, has created a double burden and placed severe financial strain on the self-help groups, making it increasingly difficult to meet transportation costs, fuel expenses, labor charge and other logistical commitments. As self-help groups operate across all districts, blocks and ICDS projects in Meghalaya, the financial stress caused by these delays has become a statewide concern, affecting innumerable grassroots service providers. The Federation also expressed strong condemnation of the manner in which the Directorate of Social Welfare has handled the grievances of the self-help group. Instead, addressing the issue of long pending bills, an obligation that clearly falls under the department, the additional director blatantly advised the SHGs to discontinue their services if they could not bear any more of the financial burden, while further suggesting that replacement groups are already available if existing SHGs suspend their services. Such statements do not only reflect serious administrative failure and insensitivity within the department, but also perceived as an attempt to pressure and intimidate SHGs who have been faithfully implementing government programs at a grassroots level despite mounting financial hardship. In light of the above, the Federation urgently appeals the Directorate of Social Welfare and the Government of Meghalaya to intervene and release the pending bills before the commencement of the first quarter of 2026. The Federation states that the prolonged delay in clearing the pending bills has pushed many SHGs to the brink, leaving them burdened with debt, losses and deep uncertainty, despite faithfully carrying out government responsibilities. The pain, frustration and helplessness among the SHGs are real and growing. The Federation therefore earnestly appeals to the Government of Meghalaya to hear the voice of the SHGs and act with urgency and compassion to release the pending dues so that the dignity and survival of these grassroots are not left in jeopardy.
In my capacity as the Assistant General Secretary of the Federation of Meghalaya Self-Help Group and Mahila Mandals, a federation that has been working since 2012 to support and represent all the SHGs engaged under the ICDS project and the Social Welfare Department to supply and transport the goods to the Anganwadi centers, the foodstuffs to the Anganwadi centers. At the outset, I would also like to express our gratitude on behalf of the Federation to the central and the state government for entrusting us with this responsibility, this job. This initiative has empowered the SHGs, the rural women and also the unemployed youth and a chance to earn a living. Now, I want to state that the Federation has left no stone unturned and we have met every official concern regarding the issues and the concerns that we were facing in hopes that we will find some solutions. But what is so disheartening that when the Federation went to the Social Welfare Department, a concerned authority sitting at a high chair, she was consistently ill-advising us to leave the job if we are not able to shoulder the burden, the financial burden as SHGs. I will not name this person for privacy reasons, but she was consistently told us to leave this job and there are many SHGs waiting in line to replace us. So completely disregarding our contribution as SHGs in this department. And we also, like I said earlier, the Federation has done its due diligence. Now this is the last step for us to come here to speak to you, to the press, so that you can be the medium that can reach the government so that they can hear our pleas and our requests. Now the details and the concerns of the Federation will be shared with you with these gentlemen who are sitting with me here today. Thank you.
CM nilai pesan menaik memorandum nilai pak nilai appointment bani kendu kenang ini le ngimyo kono nong cikin fix. Te hadis ni betul nilai directorate tinggal yo tinggi kendu bagi bahaya tiga office director assistant director tiga jingyo tinggi ke kubur nanti nilai tanpa tinggi jingyo rapun nilai kuno. Te nilai kapoi memang dari tinggi kum kendong no kipin smith kipin ten man mani ibatre ngi mata do dak sedang menteri SSG do ak jam nyo dang ambak la ila sai tak hadu menta nre dengan lej antai ban pan tingira pan kipin chai lo kipin sa kibil la sisne tenyale nre yo ki ban ban ada kira sola si ban sai no kita buon di ban sai tekum kita ki kubuang yo. Kalau pegang yang penren, di directorate, nasungan penren, hari ini opor ba, hari ini siapa kena mesin ini, kibulaya sekretari ini bentaka, officer ini, bakunjung orang ainu ikiba, ki aikam ini, tandre ki penting itu semua menyanyi dokumen dokumen, teka tahu tiada yang kata, miladep pendikendu ya direktor teh, tinglawan pendikendu saya sempat kumah, udah Fiscal Secretary berdepet te kita ni kita pun bawa wajib sini banyak tambalong hadu kumta kamsyai ha hakon bodur merah te kaweru ngalaban sipin iya ne kalau kemudian sending ha hakabade ban sinai gitu building babun sin hadu sausin besansin isna tango ke kabil kinuan return yang seni phone yang bersina kumta hadu pamta kalalong nang mlong na ladep sumit gibel taw hadu pamta ha hadu pengkalan ko ikapor te kalau ke izin ko di department bopet nak kalian jum terplis
jongga arsau o jongga arthau arsau di kota tekmod adun tan kan tayo ini bil tekmod di set group ila jenjar tenaga pas kota jumat santo kisiu masjid teyaga nega sekat kota unta mi yoduna tega thap kota bu tasne ada supply antara put kota ro mi ada supply tengin pagyo tekmod nega lian juli nga syam bahag jenjar dan wede berkenega pas kota itu pelajaran mana ban supply tenai mio bisa ada kesoka dalam siuno ya kini kita jadi tenai malu terdaw la persiap lu gila kelenti untuk batu siam la sauna minta ndrei ka his jongki kamsem ai mo banyak dulu tenai terdaw mindon la bermui tenai terdaw hapan wantan itu dulu pi terbaik mereka hingga bulan juga presiden pi oleh